Hey guys, there with you one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. So guys, in my previous session, I have talked about so many things and I have provided so many informations and I gave you lots of knowledge about so many things. Okay, so in my today's session, I am going to talk about the scope of data science in India in 2022. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Being one of the most crucial assets for organization, data has become the new oil that helps in driving organizations ahead. For healthcare to finance or pharmaceuticals, organizations are increasingly recognizing the importance of implementing data-driven decisions. Okay, in an attempt to develop multiple methods and to harness data, the scope of data science and the relevant jobs in India are rapidly getting popular. So in this session, I will cover an in-depth understanding of the data scientist job market in India and how we need likely to grow in future. So let's get started. Okay, the journey of data science. Okay, so the first one is scope of data science in India. Demand for data scientists in India in COVID-19 pandemic, low entry barrier, good salary. How to get a job in data science in India? How to get a job as data scientist? So, if you want to get a job as data scientist, at first learn mathematics, know the basics, learn programming, explore the domain. Okay, and the whatever salary as a data scientist the companies offered to you, I'm going to discuss about all these things also. Okay, in 2017, the economical data made the headlines, starting the world's most valuable resource is no longer oil but data. Okay, now this analogy may seem to be a little odd in the first place, but if we dive deeper, just like oil was a valuable asset for organizations years ago, okay, it has now been replaced by data. As the business world inches closer to digitalization, data has become more important than ever. The scope of data science in India, with data being termed as the future oil for organizations, analytics has become an engine that drives it to arrive to meaningful insights. The powerful combination of both is what is driving the future scope of data science. All across the globe, organizations are involving uh, multiple methods to harness data and use the power tools to drive their businesses. Okay, the confluence of massive data influx and the need of harness this huge amount of data has together built a big job market in data science, termed as one of the uh, greatest job in 2021 by the Harvard Business Review. Data science has introduced whole new array of jobs to the market, especially in a developing country like India. There is scope of huge data related operations such as data scientists, data analytics, big data engineers, big data managers, and data architects. So right now I'm going to talk about all those things. Our data scientist has been lucrative career option for the last few years. Apart from the increasing significance of data and the need to refine it, there are several other factors that have increased the demand of data scientists in India. Some of the factors are discussed. I'm going to discuss with you. Okay, the first one is COVID-19 pandemic. As the spread of COVID-19 spread across India, most of the processes started happening online. With everything taking place online, there was a huge amount of data generated through the processes, which accelerated the growth of data scientists in India. The recent surges in e-commerce platforms, online transactions, and more students opting for online courses have contributed to the need to analyze massive data chunks for a comprehensive understanding. This in turn has amplified the future scope of data science in India. So, low entry barrier. Being a comparatively new field, the professionals in this domain experience less competition. Professionals from different backgrounds such as mathematics or statistics, computer science, engineering, and natural science can also pursue career in data science. All it takes to become a successful data scientist is a problem solving approach and good programming skills which you can learn along the way. So if you have a knack to for solving problems, complement it with the data science course for the IntelliPath and being your journey in this promising career option. The next one is good salary. Let us accept that most of us crave the combination of a good job profile and a decent salary. Data science jobs are among the top paying jobs in the market right now. The average salary of a data scientist ranges between more than uh, 6 lakh to 7 lakh for freshers as well. This helps data science in gaining traction from a lot of professionals. So, how to get a job in data science in India? Before jumping into how to get a data science job in India, let us first know about the skills required to become a data scientist. Here I am going to talk about some essential skills you need to be a data scientist. The first one is skilled in Python, R, and SAS. SAS, good with statistics and mathematics, comprehensive knowledge of algorithms such as logistic regression and linear regression, good communication skills, good with business knowledge, proficiency in Excel. Even freshers can land good job offers if the showcase a good body of work, including a well-made portfolio. This includes a well-written resume containing all relevant skills and qualifications and details of past projects if you have any projects. So, tips to make a resume for a data science job. Make a resume that carves out from the competition. Having knowledge is good. Having a certificate in the same domain acts complementary to your skill set. As a fresher, someone just starting out in this field, try to get a data science internship, even if it is unpaid. The goal of an internship is to get hands-on experience on related projects. You can also put the relevant GitHub link on LinkedIn. Moreover, participating in various online competitions will also help in gaining exposure to the field. All these efforts combined will showcase your learning and understanding of the technology, and employees might take notice of it. To build your network in the professional work, participate in local data science meetups that regularly take place in big cities such as New Delhi, Pune, Bengaluru, Chennai, and other cities in Kolkata also. Having a wider network of people from the same or similar domain will help you to reach out to employees quickly. So, how to get a job as a data scientist? At first, learn mathematics. Having a good hold of computational skills can help you to stand out from the crowd. Knowing algebra and calculus is an added advantage as it is utilized in ML and deep learning. Having a good knowledge of statistics and probability is another advantage as they can be useful in analyzing and visualizing data to derive insights. No basics. Having a clear understanding of data science involves building and deploying machine learning models. There are some instructions that provide hands-on training for skills. Learn programming. Learning programming languages such as SAS, Python, JavaScript, Hadoop, and R that are used extensively in data science will help you to have an edge over others, as it with the knowledge of the programming languages you would be able to easily accomplish your tasks by using a few lines of code. Explore the domain. As a passionate data scientist enthusiastic, you need to participate in various online competitions and guided hackathons to learn the art of turning raw data into meaningful insights. Publishing work on GitHub under guided supervision gains a lot of traction for top data scientist companies. Salary of data scientists in India. Okay, so salary offered as per location. Generally, the salaries that top data scientist companies in India pay depends on two factors. The first one is the demand of the relative skill set and the cost of living in the city. Based on these two factors, we have uh, going to talk about few Indian cities in the descending order of the salaries offered by them. So, in Mumbai, known to be one of the most expensive cities in India, Mumbai usually offers a little higher salary than the industry average. In 2021, Mumbai has the highest pay master in analytics at the almost 13.7 lakh per annum. Okay, in Bengaluru, popularly known as the Silicon Valley of India, Bengaluru is another expensive city to live in, followed by Mumbai, Bengaluru, hands-on in a 13 lakh per annum to data scientists in the salary bracket of more than 1 5 lakh per annum. Okay, Bengaluru leads after Mumbai within 26% of professions earning in this salary bracket. In 2018, this percentage was 24%, and in 2017, it was 25%. Bengaluru was the second highest after Mumbai, even then. Chennai, one of the most populated cities in India, Chennai dominates as the lowest pay master, offering uh, in a 10 lakh, 10.7 lakh per annum. In the salary bracket of 0 to 6 lakhs, Chennai has 40% of analytics professionals earning below 6 lakhs. Okay, Hyderabad follows Chennai with the highest annual increase in median salary of analytics professionals are almost 5%. So from INR 10 lakh, 10.2 lakh in 2018 to in INR 10 lakh, 10.7 lakh in 2019. Hyderabad saw an annual increase in salaries at 4.1%. So Pune, among all the metropolitan cities, Pune recorded the highest increase of analytics salaries this year by almost 30% from INR 8.8 lakh to INR 11.4 lakh. This is the average cost of living in the cities and that salary packages. So, guys, before wrap it up, after conducting expensive research and after gaining the above mentioned data, it is safe to say that data science is the technology of the future. As companies become more dependent on data-driven decisions, the demand for data scientists scientists and relevant career prospects is likely to grow in future. So guys, don't waste your time. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in data science. Okay, so you guys can join PCS Global and gain that knowledge from us, and you can get the training. We are providing free internship programs also. In the free internship programs, you can gain that knowledge about data science, and you can be a proper data scientist. So guys, this is the time. Don't think too much. Just start your career with the take the first step, and we are always here to help you. We are going to provide you all the information you need, and we will give you the proper guidance about your career path. And kindly make that trust factor with the organization in which organization you are working. And if you are interested in PCS Global, kindly communicate with us. In each and every video, we provide our numbers, our contact numbers are over there. Kindly communicate with them and gain that knowledge and be a part of PCS Global. So this is for today's session, guys. So bye for now. Okay. Have a good day.